it looks good. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tisha Marie. As you can see by the title below, today I'm going to be using a full face of the lip bar. So if you guys are not familiar with the lip bar, I don't know where you've been. I guess you've been like under a rock. The lip bar is a Black owned brand. It is a woman owned brand. So it's owned by Melissa Butler. So she started out with just lips and now we have everything. We've literally got everything that we need to complete a full face, and as you can see, that's what I have on my face right now. I've got almost all of the new products, so if you guys are interested in seeing me use and review these products to get a full face, then just keep watching. Also wanted to let you guys know, if you're interested in purchasing anything on thelipbar.com, you can use my code Tisha Marie. I will leave it right here on the screen for you, so you can use that code to get a discount. Yeah girl, let's go ahead and get into these products. So the very first thing that I'm going to start out with is brows. The Lip Bar did launch a new brow product. This is their Exact Arch Micro Brow Pencil. This does have a brow pencil on this side and a brow brush on the other side. Now the Lip Bar did have a brow pencil out already. I'm going to show you guys the difference between these two because they are very different. So this is the Exact Arch Micro Brow Pencil and this is the Quick Draw brow pencil. So you can see that the Quick Draw brow pencil is much thicker. It has like this triangular shape. The new one, I think, is going to be my jam. So what I do first is I brush my brows up in the front and I'm just going to kind of outline the bottom. Oh yeah, I like this. That quick. I'm done with that brow. I am going to go under it with the concealer. And I'm going to do this brow and I'll be right back. All right, so my first impressions on the Exact Arch Micro Brow Pencil by the Lip Bar is I love it. I definitely prefer it over their other brow pencil that they launched first because the pencil side of this is very skinny, so it's easier for me to get those hair-like strokes that I like to have on my brows. So I use the shade Deep Brown, which is the second darkest shade. They also have Black Brown, but I don't like my brows to be that dark. Yeah, I think my brows look good using this, so let's move on to the next. What I do now is go in and prep my lips because I do want to make sure my lips are nice and smooth and not crusty. So I'm going to be using their Pamper Your Pout Lip Care Duo. So this Lip Care Duo comes with a moisturizing lip scrub and it also comes with a lip serum. As you can see, I have been killing this product. First, I just take the lip scrub. So this has like these tiny little sugar crystals in it and I just rub it on my lips. On the back it says that it exfoliates while also creating moisture for super soft lips. That's exactly what we want, especially if you're going to be wearing like a matte lipstick, because when you wear mattes, they definitely show all of the cracks and crusties that you might have on your lips, and you definitely don't want that. Like, you want your lips to look nice and smooth. This gets it done for me. And now I'm going to go in with the Luxurious Lip Serum. So I'll use this on my lips like in the beginning of my makeup routine to make sure that my lips are good and prepped, because it definitely keeps my lips nice and hydrated. I love that for me. All right, let's move on. The next thing that I have for you is the Skin Set Primer. So what this says on the back is Ready Set Prime. Lock in your look with our skin smoothing rose water primer, designed to minimize the appearance of pores and nourish the skin with soothing rose water. This does have rose water in it. That's another thing that I love about the Lip Bar products, is that they always include nice natural ingredients that are good for your skin. So we'll see if this is going to blur my pores and smooth my skin like they say. Ooh, this is kind of hard to squeeze out, but I'm just going to take that, rub it in between my hands. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I actually am going to use a little bit more than a pea-sized amount because I feel like I need some more for my face. I need some to go on my forehead. Now we're going to see how the skin tint applies on top of it. So I'm very excited to use this for you guys because, okay, this isn't my first time using it. I'm going to tell you that right now. I have been using this in almost every look that I've done. I wore this out last night on a date and I did have to wear my mask for most of the date because we were like indoors. And by the end of the night, This foundation still look good. Literally been wearing this nonstop. I really do love it. So let me go ahead. I'm going to clip my hair back really quick. Okay, now we can get started. It comes with this nozzle. I do like that this comes with a nozzle, so you're able to dispense your product exactly how you want it. And I just put mine on like this. Now, I did not use a color corrector or anything around my mouth, so I do have a little bit of darkness around my mouth, but I just want to show you guys how this covers. You'll be able to like really see what you're going to get with this. I know it probably seems like I'm using a lot, but honestly, how this comes out, like it's tiny little streams, so it's really not that much. I am using the shade Almond Joy, by the way. The right side of my face, I'm going to use a brush to blend it, and on the left side, I'm going to use my fingers, so you can just see how it works with both. And I love how this blends. All right, so this is how we're looking. This side has the skin tint, this side has nothing. And you can see this, it just looks nice and smooth and hydrated. Now I'm gonna blend it in with my hands on this side. Okay, so this is the Quick Conceal Concealer. I am using the shade 4 O'Clock Cinnamon. So they have a few different shades in this, and if you already match yourself to a foundation, then it'll automatically match you to a concealer as well. So this is infused with caffeine, which is great because it helps to like lift your under eyes, and I like that. I really love this concealer. I actually need to pick up another one because I've been using this like crazy as well. It's my new favorite thing. So what I do is I just put this right under my eyes. Also, you don't have to use as much as I'm using, but this is how I always do my concealer. So yeah, again, I told you guys I'm going for a more snatched look. I just realized that I forgot to use the new brushes that the Lip Bar launched. This is the foundation brush, and on the other end, it has a concealer brush. I'm actually going to go ahead and use that to blend out my concealer. I can say these brushes are super duper soft. Okay, I like it, I like it. All right, do y'all see the snatchery that is taking place on my face right now? So remember how I told you, you can get a natural look using the products, but you also can get glam using the products too. It's just all about how you work them. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. I'm going to keep it very, very simple on my eyes. This is actually like an everyday type of look that I'm going to do. So I'm going to take their Brown Bombshell eyeshadow quad, and I'm going to use this dark brown shade here on my lid, and then I'm going to use this lighter brown shade to blend it out. So I'm also going to be using the new eyeshadow brush that they came out with in the brush kit. And you see that you get pigment. So again, I'm just doing a very simple, easy, everyday type of look. That's my eye look. Super easy, super natural. Love it. Colors are pigmented enough. They blend together beautifully. They're very easy to work with. So I do like these little eyeshadow quads, and they have them in different colors too. If you like a little bit more razzle dazzle, they have one called After Party, and it has this really pretty purple shade. You get a gold shade, this like shimmery rose gold pinky highlighter shade, and then you also get like more of a natural shade to, you know, blend those out. So super cute. And now I'm going to go in with this Set the Tone finishing powder, and I'm using the shade Brown Sugar Babe. I'm actually going to start in the center of my face. Okay. All right, I like this. I like this. I really do. I like this a lot. That looks so good. All right, guys, so this is how everything is looking with my base in place. And I don't know about y'all, but I am feeling it. All right, it looks good. I feel like that finishing powder really did something to like perfect my skin. It just looks so good. Like, and then let's talk about the fact that this is a tinted moisturizer, you guys, and it's looking like foundation. I honestly, I'm speechless. So now I'm going to show you guys the Shimmer Balms. There are 4 of the Shimmer Balms. So I have every color. Clearly, I have Rose Golds, Fine as Wine, and Brownie Points. I'm not going to show you clearly because it's literally just a clear balm. Real quick, I'm going to go through each of these because I'm not going to wear these for this look, but this is Rose Golds. Like a nice light pinky shade. It looks like your natural lip color pretty much. Fine as Wine is a little bit darker. You're gonna get more of like a magenta type of color. So this is the one that you want to go with if you want like a little bit more color. Super cute. And I like these because they feel like very minty on the lips. And then we have Brownie Points, which is one of my favorites. This is your brown shade. And this is just so cute. So cute. So if you want to play with some color, but you're like a little scared to commit to like a lipstick or their liquid mattes, the Shimmer Balms are for you. So again, this is Brownie Points. And I feel like this color goes with my look so good. But I am going to use an actual lipstick for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of my favorite shades, and this is the shade Cocoa Cooler, and it's just a very pretty brown shade, and this is their actual lipstick. So this is not the liquid mattes. Already lined my lips. And look at how pretty that color is. And then I'm thinking I want to add a little bit of gloss on top of it. So, all right, now I'm going to go in with Minimalist. This is actually a clear gloss, but I use this on top of like all of my lipsticks. So that's why it looks this way. But when you first get it, it's actually clear. All right, guys, so this is the completed look. Face full of the lip balm. This looks good. Like, every single thing that I use on my face is from the lip bar. That is it for my review of all of the new products from the lip bar. As you can see, I love them all. I was kind of scared to use a couple of them because I did not know how they were going to work, but I ended up loving them, and I can't really say that I'm surprised because I just love the lip bar's products. I love the founder. I love everything that they stand for. Yeah, that's it. So if you guys are interested in picking up any of these products, make sure that you use my code in checkout. It's Tisha Marie, and you can get a discount. Yeah, check them out. If you guys do decide to check anything out, please let me know in the comments below what you pick up. If you already have some of these products, let me know what your favorites are, because I'm just kind of curious to know like if your favorites are some of my favorites too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And I will see you guys the next time. Bye.